are now ragged, hungry, and homeless. Ragged!
Hungry.
Homeless.
Today we're living in a shanty. Today we're scrounging for a meal.
Today I'm stealing coal for fires. Who knew I could steal?
I used to winter in the tropics.
I spent my summers at the shore.
I used to throw away the papers.
He don't anymore. We'd like to thank you, Herbert Hoover, for really showing us the way. We'd like to thank you, Herbert Hoover. You made us what we are today. Prosperity was round the corner, a cozy cottage built for two. In this blue heaven that you gave us, yes, we're turning blue. They offered us L. Smith and Hoover. We paid attention and we chose. Not only did we pay attention, we paid through the nose.
In every pot he said a chicken.
But Herbert Hoover, he forgot. Not only don't we have the chicken, we ain't got the pot. Hey, Herbie, you left behind a grateful
nation. So Herb, our hats are off to you.
Herb, our hats are off. We're up to here with admiration.
Come down and have a little snooze.
Come down and share some Christmas dinner.
Be sure to bring the missus too. We got no turkey for our stuffing. Why don't we stuff you?
We'd like to thank you, Herbert Hoover, for really showing us the way. You dirty rat, you
Bureaucrat, you made us what we are today. Come and get it, Herb.
All right, move along. All you bums, out of here.
They're not bumps.
We're tearing down this junk pile now.